While complaining about the world being cruel, we forget that we are also part of it. Let the kindness start with you. Today, we'll see people who have initiated the chain reaction of good deeds. This kid seems to be really interested in the heavy bike. The sweet stranger let him check it out closely. Look how excited he got.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that's it. We go. Yes, thank you.
The poor deer got stuck. Thankfully, it's been saved in time. Look at this adorable dog, saving the grasshopper from drowning. The football player accidentally hit the kid in the head. The player personally rushes to check on him and gifts his shirt to him too. While passing through the drive-thru, this guy asks the Google Assistant to choose a number.
Pick a number from 50 to 100.
The result is 80, so he gives an $80 tip to the workers.
You're gonna make me cry.
That's okay.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom really quick.
This squad of police officers have bought a scooter for the lonely old man. He can't believe his eyes. Angels do exist.
Oh, there you are. Like this one? Yeah. This is yours now, Frank. We got this for you. Oh, sure. I'm not kidding. This is yours to keep. Yeah, we got this for you. My goodness.
This motorcyclist notices an elderly citizen stuck on the road. He stops to help the man reach the other side. After a flood, some small fish were left on the beach. These kind people are picking them up to send them back to the water.
Pani idzie tutaj ze mną. No pani idzie ze mną.
This player was having a hard time in the game, but the little girl knows how to cheer him up. This old photographer had chosen the wrong spot. Luckily, a kind man came over to the rescue. This dog is actually a surprise gift for somebody really lucky. Look how excited she is.
What? I'm so confused. Look at his eyes on that.
A house caught fire and the residents ran away, but their dog was left behind. After a while, the owner rushed back and saved the dog while risking his own life. Nowadays, everyone is busy with their own matters. However, there are still some people who are willing to help the one in need, like this great man. This is not your ordinary traffic police officer. He's the best friend of many school kids. His sweetness can make anyone smile. The poor dog was stuck in the frozen pond. His life was saved by these kind rescuers.
Yeah. Scramblers, just there.
This delivery man is making sure the packages don't block the entrance. Caring for others is what makes us humans. The little kitten is about to fall down. It recognizes its savior and grabs on the rope. Such a heartwarming moment. This girl had a tiring day. Getting her favorite meal will definitely make her feel better. No doubt, Japan is one of the most disciplined countries. Look at these Japanese players bowing down to show respect to the audience. A woman from the neighborhood brings treats to this dog every now and then. He's too excited, but he's still trying to be a good pet. So cute.
Sit.
Good job.
Hey, sit. Stay. There you go. Sit.
This little fan was looking to get a high five, but the kind player made the moment even more special by doing it in slow motion. She's unaware of the audience admiring her from afar. He's the truck driver who stopped by to clap for the girl's efforts.
Can you see it?
Today, you're going to meet the friendliest and sweetest school crossing guard. She's making lunch, but her pet horse wants some too. She's really happy to share.
That's the thing. Because she does like.
Opening presents is always exciting, but this mother packed some dog toys for his son. Wait, she's brought a dog as well. What an adorable surprise.
Go say hi. That's your dog.
Look at this traffic policeman clearing up the snow for strangers' cars. The best deeds are the ones done in secret. This lady is voluntarily holding up the umbrella for all the passengers getting off the train. Everyone in the stadium has gathered around so they can save this kitten. This kid is using a box to help the cat get down. This little girl was missing snowboarding. Her father couldn't take her to the mountains right now, so he figured out a way to get her to have fun. It may be too late to turn back, but never too late to start again. Let's try to be a better person every day. To watch more of these sweet moments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you keep getting the updates. Take care and be kind.